Hi, this is Ramchandran. I'm from Cothas Coffee, which has been established in 1949. We are pioneers in filter coffee, and we have also launched cold beverages ranging from the milkshakes to the cold coffee, which is one of the best in the industry. We are servicing a lot of clients in terms of B2C is concerned. We are also into corporates, and we have also got some retail stores which is being serviced all across AP. We have got about 17 outlets across AP and Telangana. We have got 6 outlets in Hyderabad. We are likely to expand it to 15, and we will definitely the brand as Cothas is very strong in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, and Cothas as a brand will definitely move good in Telangana region. The exhibition has given us some kind of an exposure in terms of the inquiries are concerned. There are a lot of inquiries from the corporates as well as distributors. This is a good platform for us to increase our business and also expand our market. This will help us in expanding our markets to a different kind of a segment altogether. This is a very, very nice platform to work with.
Myself Rajshekhar and my colleague Sridhar. We work Cothas company as a corporate segment. Corporate services both for coffee and tea, hot beverage solutions and cold beverage solutions. We have been into 2.5 years in the market from Hyderabad segment, Pan India. We have our business in all the states across, and we have about 2,000 machines in the market. This is our machine. This is grinding machine, and it's of a capacity of serving up to 3,000 cups per day, and per minute around 8 cups. And this event actually giving us a expo about how our machine actually works, and different types of people from the same industry has been observing our machine. Hope this gives us a more indent in the market also. Thank you.